Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, December 9th. Today you are going to be completing your own book talk. So you are going to do a book talk on the book that you read for your independent reading unit. Throughout the semester, I have been sharing videos about books that I think are interesting, and hopefully you do too. And I've been posting those on the Friday agenda slides. Mr. Escrow, the librarian, has also done a few of them for you. And today you are going to do some for each other so that you guys can share book recommendations. So what you need to do is click on this where it says book talks, and it'll bring up this sheet. And the first thing that you'll have to do is fill out this chart. So title, author, genre, page length, a quick summary of the book. Who do you think would like this book? So you would like this book if you like movies like this, or if you're interested in history, or if you really like science, whatever. Who do you think would like this book? And then record an interesting passage from the novel to share with the class. So you're actually going to read a short passage from your novel for the class so that they can get an idea of the writing style. Because sometimes we think a book idea sounds really good, and then we look at the writing style and we're like, no, this isn't working for me. So having that will also be helpful for people to figure out like if that's a book they want to try out or not. When you're finished, you guys are going to practice your book talk. So you're going to tell us in a video all the information that's on here, and you're going to present it to us in a video. And then you're going to share it with your class. So practice a few times before you get on camera and actually do this so that everything that you're saying, it flows well, it makes sense, and you feel confident and ready to go. When you are ready to record, actually, you're going to do it on Flipgrid. So you can click here. There's also a link at the top of the page. There's also a link on the agenda slide. And you'll end up joining. And then you can record your response on Flipgrid, so you can record your video here. And then after you have recorded a video, then you need to go and watch 2 other people's book talks and react to them. Your reactions should be more than like, ooh, neat. Like, write down, what do you think sounds interesting about their book? Or what do you think sounds like maybe I don't want to read it? So tell us a little bit like your reaction to that book. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.